Hello, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to a hosting. Let's assume you bought your hosting from a different hosting company and you bought your domain, like you bought your domain from a different hosting company and you purchased your hosting from a different hosting company. So basically this video will teach you how to link two of them together. So what you do is to come to your the hosting company where you hosted your where you purchased your domain. Like this is my domain here. You scroll down to the emails that you want. You open the email. When you open the email, as you can see, it's opening now. It's opening now. Just wait a little, let it open. Oh, sorry, you're not supposed to. Okay, you just have to tap here. Tap here. You get tap here. When you tap on this icon here, it will now bring you to this place. When it brings you to this place, you see you go to this place where you wrote name servers. You click on this name servers. When you click on name servers, you see all these ones here. You locate this part that says use custom name servers. Enter below. You select it. When you select it here, you go to your email where your hosting details and your cPanel was sent to you. This is the email here. This is the email that my hosting company sent to me. You just copy all these names here. Copy all of them and paste it here. You get? So let's go. Copy this one, the first one. Copy the first one. Come to this place here, paste it, go copy the second one, copy the second one, come back here, you paste it, come back here, copy the third one. You copy the third one. Okay, let's go. You come to this third one, you paste it. So you come to the fourth one. You copy, go to your this place here, you paste it here. So after you must have finished copying it, you just click on this change name server here. Click on change name server. See, wait a little. Okay, I think there's a mistake. You can change where your domain points to here. Please be aware of the changes can take up to 24 hours. Let's do it again. This time, let's try this one. Okay. Come to the first one. Paste. Second one. So as you can see here, after entering all this name server here, it's and we clicked on change name servers. Now your hosting company, your hosting details here, and everything works successfully fine. If this video was helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it.